How's it going today? We just finished installing this job out in West Haven. We installed some crank arm blackout exterior shades. We have the golf simulator here, so we went with a blackout fabric to reduce some of the sun and the glare. So this client of ours can come out here and enjoy some golf. Crank arms are really easy. You grab your crank arm, open it up. So these are fully closed now. As you can see, there is a gasket at the bottom. Helps reduce noise, any of the light leaking in from the bottom as well. Keeps those sturdy. Zip screens keep it on track, so if it is windy out here, they won't blow and swing in and hurt anybody. And then when these are all raised up, they are pretty minimal. They have a nice sleek look at the top, everything's enclosed. And your minimal side tracks here. We went with black to go with the accents of the railing.